Welcome to HSNC University Admission Desk, where the student will be able to apply for their admission application form. They can apply for PhD courses. Under the Help section, the applicants can view the application process video and they can download the instructional manual which will give more clarity on how to complete the admission form. The applicant will have to click on the New Registration tab on the right-hand side of the pane and then input the required details as asked for. Name should be exactly as per the latest examination mark sheet because the same name will be displayed in the application form as well. Students have to be very careful while updating the name, as once the name is entered, the applicant will not be able to make any changes in any circumstances. Kindly input an active mobile number and email address, as all the communication from the university will be sent across on this email address. Also, you will receive the PIN and serial number on this registered contact details. Post that, the student will have to select the admission type from the drop-down. The admission type will be PhD. Now the student will have to select the entrance examination. If they have already completed their entrance, they need to select the same from the drop-down. If the student haven't appeared for any entrance, then they need to select Not Appeared. Please note, once the admission type is selected, it won't be changed under any circumstance. The student will be redirected to Payment Gateway page, where they need to enter all the required details such as billing name, complete address and contact details. Post that, student will have to select the payment mode to make the payment. Student will be able to see the payable amount on the right-hand side of the page. Kindly note, the fees paid are non-refundable. You would then receive the PIN number, serial number, username and password on their registered contact details and the registered email address, along with the application process link and the instructional manual. Sometimes the email can also land in the spam or junk folder. Make sure to check that as well. Kindly note, the PIN number is case sensitive and confidential. Do not share it with anyone. Once you receive all the details, you can click on Login on the right-hand side of the page and proceed with the application form. The process of application form is divided in 3 parts: personal information, educational details and upload documents. To start the admission process, you need to click on the Apply tab on the right-hand side of the screen, or the student can click on Admission Process, which is on the left-hand side of the pane. Also, please check if you are on the correct patch, as you are applying for undergraduate. Input the PIN number which you have received on your registered email address and contact number. You can copy the PIN number from your email and paste it here for your convenience to avoid mistakes. Now input the first and last name. Please spell check the name before proceeding ahead. Now input name should be exactly as per the latest examination mark sheet. If any discrepancy is found, then application will be rejected. Applicants need to input their personal details like father's, husband first name, mother's first name, gender, date of birth, blood group, Aadhaar details, admission category. Admission subcategory, religion, learning disability, caste category, nationality and place of birth. Under the admission category, kindly check all the options available in the drop-down. The merit list will be prepared based on the category selected by you. The applicants are required to upload the relevant document based on the option selected. Post that, the student needs to enter their ABC ID, that is Academic Bank of Credit. If the student does not have the ABC ID, they can click on the link given below. Continue with inputting the correspondence address along with the correct PIN code. Once the PIN code is entered, the system will automatically fetch the city and state. If the permanent address is the same correspondence address, then select Yes and proceed. Otherwise, select No and input the permanent address. Now, the student has to enter their contact details, starting with their mobile number, followed by parent, guardian number, and then they have to select their family annual income from the drop-down. Kindly verify all the details, and if satisfied, then click on Save and Next to proceed ahead. Now let's understand how to enter education details. Select the faculty name and subject name from the drop-down. Now update the undergraduate details. Start by entering the degree name, followed by specialization, university, are you in-house student, college, result status, passing month and year of passing. Post that, you need to enter the marks obtained out of total marks and the system will auto-calculate the percentage. If the students have cleared their undergraduation under the grading system, then they can view the document PDF from grade conversion letter and they can convert the grades to percentage and enter in the required fields such as grades and percentage. Now the student has to enter their post-graduation details. First enter the degree name, followed by specialization, university, are you in-house student, college, result status, passing month and year. Now, you need to enter the marks or grades details for your post-graduation degree. If the student has any PG degree, then they have to click on Add and enter all the PG details. If the student has completed their post-graduation from any of the college under HSNC University, then select Yes under the in-house student option, otherwise select No and input the college details. Now, input other important details like qualification name, passing month and year, seat number, number of attempts. If you have cleared postgraduate in the first attempt, then select 1, and if more than 1 attempts, then select accordingly from the drop-down, and result status. If the applicant selects pass, then you need to enter the marks obtained out of total marks and the system will auto-calculate the percentage. If the students have cleared their post-graduation under the grading system, then they can view the document PDF from grade conversion letter and they can convert the grades to percentage and enter in the required fields such as grades and percentage. Now the student has to enter entrance marks details. Select No if the student has already appeared for any of the entrance exam and select Yes if the student still has to appear for their PET. If the student has already appeared for any of the entrance exam, then you will see that the exam name will already be mentioned as you have selected while registration. Post that enter the entrance passing year and then the entrance score. Kindly verify all the details and if satisfied then click on Save and Next to proceed ahead. Now let's understand how to upload the documents. To make the process easy, we have mentioned few instructions on the page. Kindly go through it carefully. The students need to upload their latest passport size photograph, not older than 6 months. They then need to sign on a plain white paper and upload the scan copy. Proceed towards uploading the latest undergraduation, post-graduation mark sheet and entrance exam result. Students who have selected admission category as Sindhi linguistic minority a reserved category, then they need to upload the caste certificate. Also, students who have selected any disability, they will have to upload their disability documents. To upload the documents, the student has to click on Choose File, then select the file and click on Upload. To check the uploaded correct document, they can click on the I button, and if they want to delete any document, then that click on the bin icon. Kindly check all the uploaded documents and if satisfied then click on Submit. All the best.